got enough power on your PC or your computer, is to duplicate that channel. Just going to get rid of that. And for this section only, I'm just going to, just so I can hear what it's going to sound like. Just for this one only, I'm just. And this is the beauty of some of these call and response plucks. They're there to sort of like tease other elements that are about to happen. So let's just try some of the other elements in this section as well. Probably going to be going back and forth a little bit here just to make sure that we're using the right elements with the track. So if I just come in, and this one actually sounds better because this is going to sit sort of underneath. So I've got this one playing here. And this acid. And then I'm going to bring that little intro pluck in the little mini break that we've got going on, that we're going to have going here. So for anyone that watched the melody and breakdown tutorial, you'll see that the bass notes actually change, and the bass in this track is actually going to follow this sub pad now. So I need to figure out whether or not I start it off the drop using from here, or do I do it from... So it also come back into the little mini break of the outro. I pull away from the rolling and bring it back to the sub pad, just so it sort of slows it down, changes that sense of coming to an end again. And then I go back into the rolling sub here. So actually take away, use this one. This could be just a bit of a change up, really. Let's get rid of that again on that. Try this. Just sounds a little bit more outro-y. It sounds stripped back, but there's no sort of low end energy there at all. So what I like to do is bring in my sub pad into here, because what I'm basically doing is I'm going to swap that sub, this one here,